Question number 8, Grant Robertson.
Here, Mr Speaker. My question is to the Minister of Health. Does he believe that Te Whetu Tawera, the acute mental health unit of the Auckland District Health Board, is functioning to a high standard? If so, why?
The Honourable Jonathan Coleman.
On behalf of the Minister of Health. Yes, because an independent report completed last month into Te Whetu Tawera has found that overall the service is functioning to a high standard. I'm also aware that the Mental Health Commission visited the service and agrees with the findings of this independent report.
Grant Robertson.
Why did Associate Minister Jonathan Coleman tell the New Zealand Herald that the unit was functioning to a high standard when assaults at the unit tripled between 2009 and 2010, with 213 assaults over the past year, including 131 on staff?
The Honourable Jonathan
Coleman. On behalf
Coleman.
of the Minister of Health, that's actually a separate issue to the core question, which is the unit functioning at a high standard? And the independent evidence, backed up by the the Mental Health Commission, says that it is, in direct contrast to how it was functioning under the Labour government.
Supplementary question.
Grant Robertson.
How could Associate Minister Coleman say the unit was operating to a high standard when bed numbers have had to be cut in order to ensure staff safety, and that it is not possible to fill staff vacancies because of fear of safety issues?
The Honourable Jonathan Coleman.
Mr Speaker, the reason that it's been difficult to recruit staff to that unit is that under the Labour government, morale in that unit plummeted, and that is backed up by 2 reports in 2007 and 2008, which were very critical of clinical management there and the lack of action of the last government. This latest independent report shows that there's been a marked improvement in the culture and in the way that patients are managed. So under this government, there has been real improvement at that unit, and the evidence backs that up.
Grant Robertson.
Can the Minister really tell the House that there has been improvement under his government when assaults at the unit tripled between 2009 and 2010? There were 213 assaults over the last year and 131 on staff. How is that a unit functioning at a high standard?
The Honourable Jonathan Coleman.
Mr Speaker, what I can say is that the independent objective reports show that there has been dramatic improvement under this government, in marked contrast to the absolute mess that the Labour government left that unit in when we came into government.
Point of order, Mr Speaker.
Point of order, Grant Robertson.
And this is going to be difficult, Mr Speaker.
Order.
This is going to be a little bit difficult, Mr Speaker, because that wasn't a question that I'd written down. It was a response to a supplementary, but I don't believe that the Minister addressed my question, which was around how he could make the statement about the unit operating at a high standard given those statistics.
The member should just reflect on what he said. He asked the Minister how he could make such a statement. The Minister's answer was because of this independent report. And that's a perfectly legitimate answer to that question, and not a lot I can do about that. Question number 9, Keith Locke.